Boy, good morning. Good morning.
Still dark.
Good morning, ate. Yeah, it's still dark. Because we're going to jogging. 4 a.m. pa lang. Okay. Tara.
Diyan ba yung water ko?
Oo. Yan, tara. Ate na muna kayo ni ate, no? Para hindi tayo maraming doon. Ball mo. Masa ate? Sige, let's go! Alas 5 pa lang pero maliwanag na. Saan tayo? Diyan o there? Tara, let's go there.
Kapag ko takbo ng dribble ako.
Oo, sige.
Go.
Practice ka mag-dribble, boy. Wow, galing. Oh, daming birds, oh. Nakita mo yung mga birds, boy? Uy, galing. Oh, tara, lakad ka. Yeah, dribble mo. Aba naglalakad. Na-steal ni ate. Oh. Tara. Lakad. Walk lang tayo. Uy, 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 uy. Up. Wow. Ah, race kami dito. Yan na, boy. Mauna. Wala na. Winner.
I love you. Mama mia.
Ikot natin lahat. Wala naman. Morning na, morning. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Dalaga.
Good morning, Ziggy.
Good morning, Vicky.
Good morning, Zippy.
Good morning, Vicky. Ang ganda mo dito. Dito. You can plug in. Yeah, but you're just a person that.
Si Mami slip pa niyan. Sige boy. Kanina umalis tayo, dark pa no boy? Ngayon morning na.
I mean, almost morning.
Na?
Almost morning.
Almost morning. Early morning no? Pagod ka na girl? Girl, nauhaw ka na. Pagod na si girl ko. Oh. Malayo pa yung mararating namin. Malayo pa po
Do
kami.
you know, guys, that we go here in 4 a.m.
4 a.m. Ngayon,
5.
dark pa nang pumunta tayo no?
24. 4:50 something. At 5 o'clock tayo nakagating.
You know guys, Ziki is good in dribbling and shooting. Someday gonna be great basketball player. You know Ziki in basketball? Oh, you have to be very fast. Are you fast?
Yes. I'm faster than Sonic.
You're faster than Sonic?
Of course, Sonic is just a cartoon. In reality, he's so slow.
Hoy! Hindi ka pagod? Nakalahati na natin. Congrats!
Dito tayo ang pagpupunasan tayo tumakbo.
Oo, ikutin natin na. Lahat na. Walking with Jesus, walking every day. Napagod na po si boy ko. Drink na siya ng water. Ligpas na po kami ng half. Boy, we're almost there. Nakalahati mo na. Lagpas.
Pauna ako kay ate.
Ate, yan na si Ziki. Wow! Let's just arrest. Let's just take a rest. Okay lang kayo, girl, boy. Na?
Metal ba to?
Hindi. Parang kahoy lang ata. Hindi, metal ata, no? What do you think, girl?
wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Hindi ka napagod?
Hindi.
Si boy pag...
21 sa akin.
21 sa'yo! Lola, sakit na likod mo, Lola. Eh po si Lola, masakit na po yung likod ni Lola. Lola Ziki, masakit na po likod niya. Malapit na yung pasok niyo, boy. Excited ka na mag-school? Na? Are you excited to go to school na? Hindi, I'm talking to you properly. Excited ka na mag-school? Abot mo. Ate, we made it. Malapit na tayo. We're almost there. Boy, di ka pagod? Malapit na tayo. Inangkan natin, oh.
Ate, no?
Pawis na pawis kayo. Yan yung sun, oh.
Ang dami naman sakit, ate, no?
Tignan mo, asan na yung sun? It's so hot na. Ganda po sila. Na? Tara na. Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, son.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, son.
Bye-bye, sir. Kararating lang nasan. Bye-bye mo na nga agad. Hello! We made it! We made
We got
it!
here at 4 a.m.
Yeah. Kanina wala pang sun, no, boy?
Sure.
Ngayon,
Meron na.
Meron na.
Dito na tayo sa sasakyan.
let's go ba? Ate, napagod ka sobra? Napagod po si ate ko sobra.
Ang laki ko. Ang laki ko.
Ate, you made it. Ito yung water nyo. Ito po water nyo. Close ko na.
Hello.
Jesus came to be born once so that we can be born again. It's about the stone that is thrown away, so that you and I could have real life someday. It's about the cross. Life of life. It's about the cross. It's about my
Kamoy.
sin. It's about that Jesus came to be born once so that we can be born again. It's about God's Son nailed to a tree. It's about how every drop of blood that flowed from Him when shouldn't be me. It's about the stone that was rolled away, so that you and I could have real life someday. So that you and I could have real life someday. It's about the
I feel the same.
It's a bear!
Let's get out of here! Let's run back to the cave!
Stop, 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 stop!
Let's cross the river! To the tall grass! To the other!
We're safe. Let's not go hunting anymore.
Ang ginang to eh. Siya, spoon or tinidor? Ikaw, spoon or fork?
Daddy, wala pong ano, papi.
Ah. Anong toppings? Ito. Walang lang siya. No. Okay, it's okay. It's yours. Oh, my God, sige lang pala. Alam mo may tayo.
What the big? Wait, you have a break.
You pray first.
You want us to slice it? Para kung ito.
Who wants hot coffee? Very hot coffee.
No.
Did you pray na?
Yeah.
or si Boy?
Ayan, kaya ko na pa. Kaya ko na pala po. Mami, wala birthday. Ilan na?
Hindi, okay lang. Kaya mo ha? Ang haba. Litin mo kasi. Ayan. After ito, matulog kayo ha. Hindi kayo nito? Hindi kayo nito? Ito ba nito ka, Boy?
Ayan ko sila. Ito na ba?
Yung, ay, bigyan ng kalamansi. Yung man natin may kalamansi na.